Welcome to All the Way Live, right here at the Redwood Cafe. Now what you're about to witness right here is good music, good friends, good times. You ready? Then let's go.
Not that I don't love you, you know how much I do. And it's not that I found someone to take the place of you.
What's up, man? It's your boy Big SAUCIE, man. I'm live right here with my main man, James Brown, man, performing live, man. Hey, man, let me know a little something about yourself, what you doing tonight, man.
Well, it's a James Brown and the Luther Vandross concert. We want all you ladies and your gentlemen to come on out because it's going to be a fantastic show. I've been in the business, I can't tell my age right now, but I've been in the business 50 years. So I'm finna give you 50 years worth of good entertainment. I want you to come out, and I bet you your bottom dollar you will enjoy this. You might want to keep us here all night because it's going to be a fantastic show right here in the Redwood Lounge. And don't miss the James Brown footwork. I got some footwork for you to see. Yes, sir.
That's what's up, man. We're going to be recording everything live, so you're going to be able to see the whole show live.
Everything live.
Whole broadcast. So it's all the way live right here at the Red Wolf. Mr. James Brown, man.
The Connection Band is in the house. Got Mr. Dale Grayson on keyboards. And Erskine Milton. That's the first time I got their middle name, their last name right. Erskine Milton on bass tonight. Legendary Connection Band. Been around like 40 years they've been around. I don't know, they that old. That made y'all about 72, you know. and we got little Big Meech is on drums. Antonio on drums, y'all. And I'm Rob Harris here, the regular here at the Red Wolf. And before we get farther, we do this each and every time we do something at the Red Wolf. Let's give it up for the proprietor of this establishment. I give it Rita James. Where's Rita? Is she outside? Where's Rita? She must be outside. There we go. Y'all give it Rita, y'all. It figures. I'm gonna keep calling names because these are all of our staff here. Behind the bar, we got Mr. D behind the bar. When we're serving up them double shot drinks. Yeah, that's right. I said double shot drinks. That's right. Last but not least, definitely not least, y'all put your hands for Tara, who's our host here on Wednesday nights at the Red Wolf. Sitting in her usual spot. That's her spot. And matter of fact, if you sit there when she come in, you just gonna have to move. That's all to it. All right. So, like I said, we want to welcome you here to Red Wolf. We are going to do this each and every Wednesday night. When you're there, I go again. Thinking it's Wednesday night. I just say each and every Wednesday night. It's a program.
Hey, Rob, that's a good name.
Huh?
Yep, let's go, man.
Okay. Yeah. All right, there we go. Alright, this thing gonna start right here. We're gonna start off with a little, let the band do our thing right now so we can get our little bearings together, make sure we're comfortable. So y'all sit back and relax, and we're gonna get entertained here, and we'll bring in the star. And by the way, when he's done, we're gonna open up the floor a little bit. Anybody else wanna sit in, sing with the band? Tyrone, you can sing with the band too. Alright, I gotta say this. I want y'all to put your hands together. My little big brother's in the house filming. And the reason why he's filming, this will be on a major podcast show that he's doing. So he might be coming around interviewing you each one individually, but you will see this on a major social media network, and that's what he's doing, very professionally done. So my brother called him is Tommy. Tommy's in the house. Tommy, that's my little big brother, y'all. And some of y'all see him for the first time. He's just a big version of me, that's all, with a beard. All right, y'all. Thank you. Thank you. Give it for the band, y'all. Yeah.
Hey, what's going on, man? We reporting live right here. Still at the Red Wolf Cafe, man. I got my main man right here, man. Tell them about yourself, man, and you know how much fun you have right here at Red Wolf Cafe.
My name is Jock Webb, harmonica player. I've been coming hanging out at the Red Wolf for the last 10, 12 years, every Wednesday and then some. If you want to have a good time, a great time, and a safe time, the Red Wolf Lounge, across the track, back in the back. You come in and doing your party like that. Red Wolf Lounge.
You heard it right there first.
But you rescued me from the bottom, and you brought me back from being too far gone. You're as smooth, Tennessee whiskey. You're as sweet, strong and wine. You're as warm as a glass of brandy, and I'll stay strong on your love all the time. I used to look for love in the same old places. Found a bottle, but the bottle always dry. When you poured your heart out, I didn't waste it. 'Cause there ain't nothing like your love to get me high.
It's your boy Big SAUCIE. We're still here at Red Wolf Cafe. I'm right here with Beverly, and she's gonna tell you a little bit about herself and how she enjoys herself here at Red Wolf.
Hey, I've been coming here to the Red Wolf since day one. This is the place to be for grown folks. The atmosphere is great. None of that young folks drama. We just here have a good time, especially on Wednesday nights. But tonight on Saturday, we in here doing a thing, so y'all need to just find out where we are and come and join us at the Red Wolf Lounge.
All right, y'all heard it first. Make sure you make y'all way out. Red Wolf Cafe, man, Birmingham, Alabama. Yo.
All the way from Birmingham, Alabama. Y'all put your hand together for Mr. River. Here we go, here we go. Yeah. Is everybody ready? Are y'all ready? If you're ready, let me hear you say yeah. If you're ready, let me hear you say yeah. If you're really ready, let me hear you say hell yeah. Come on. Come on. When you came home last night, when you make love to me, you went fast asleep. You wouldn't even talk to me. You see, I'm so crazy. Coming home intoxicated. I said I just wanna love you. I guess that's why I'm so getting laid. Come on, give it to me, baby. Give it to me, baby. And I bet you, I love you, yeah. Give it to me, baby. Just give it to me, baby. Give it to me, baby. And I bet you, Let's shake that funky, sweet, that funky stuff. Let's shake that funky, sweet, that funky stuff.
You're still right here on All the Way Live, right here at Red Wolf Cafe. What's your name?
I'm Rich. I'm Rich.
This is Rich right here. Rich is partying right here at the Red Wolf Cafe. I'm gonna let him tell you a little bit about himself and let you know how he enjoys coming here to Red Wolf.
Been coming down here several months now, and I've never had more fun with more fun people.
All right, well, you heard it live right here at Red Wolf. The band is still up here. They're dancing, so I want you to stay tuned, and we're gonna be here all night until they get through. All right? It's All the Way Live.
We gotta get on up. We gotta get on up. They want to see. I want to see. Get on up. Get up. Get on up. Get up. Get on up. They want to see. Get on up. See. Get on up. Get up. Get on up. Get up. Get on up. Get on up. Get up. Get up. They want to see. I like a sex machine. Get up. Get up. Get up.
What's up? We still right here at Red Wolf Cafe. This is the boss lady right here. The boss lady, big boss in charge right here. How you doing?
I'm doing fine. How are you doing?
I'm all right. Tell me your name.
My name is Rita James, the Red Wolf owner. Red Wolf Lounge, where we allow no children, grown folks only.
All right, tell them about the history of this place and, you know, what goes on here.
Oh, we have live entertainment, karaoke. You know, we have grown folks, you know, and I keep saying that because that's the way it is, you know. So you come down here, you're going to have fun. Everybody's family in here. We don't have no strangers. Anybody you walk in that door, you're family. Red Wolf, baby, the Red Wolf.
That's what's up. That's real. Y'all heard it live right here on All the Way Live, all right? Well, yo, man, I got to get out of here, man. I appreciate y'all chilling with us for a minute right here at the Red Wolf Club, man. It's all the way live in here. The music is live. They're doing karaoke. They're performing. The live band's going crazy. You got to make your way out here to the Red Wolf Cafe, man. Yo, so I'm going to get out of here. We're coming to another club next week. Another blues club or soul club. Until then, this is All the Way Live. Salute.
Let's go, baby, to the hole in the wall. I've had my best time, y'all. Yes, I did, in the hole in the wall. 3 o'clock in the morning, all the damn clubs are closed. I went to this place, y'all, I didn't want anyone to know.